Hello and welcome to this short tutorial for the new Kia online booking platform. In this tutorial we'll take you through how to review a new booking, either accept, amend an existing booking or cancel an existing booking as well. So to begin with, you'll need to log in to the Exto platform. There will be a link in the confirmation emails that come through. Once logged in, you should see down the left hand side the three different drop downs. Now the top one is the service area, and within that, when you open it, you'll see the online bookings. You get a little badge for when there's new bookings to be actioned. Now that could be because it's a brand new booking, because the customer's amended or cancelled one. Either way, there'll be a badge there to tell you. So click into the online bookings platform, and when you arrive here, you'll see that there's quite a simple layout. Down the left hand side, you've got three tabs. So you've got online bookings, which is where all of the new bookings and amended and cancelled ones come in. You have the archive, so that will allow you to access any bookings where the booking date has passed. And then finally the settings section, which allows you to amend contact details for the dealership. Anything else that needs updating, you'll need to contact Kia through the normal process. Okay, so in the main screen, you've got a filter bar at the top. You then have two tabs. So you've got any new requests. So this could be new, amended, or even cancelled bookings. And then you've got accepted requests as well. And again, that is just showing you, when I click into there, any amended or cancelled. You'll see them populate as we go through the process. The information across the middle of the screen. So you have the number of the booking down the left. You've then got the device type the customer booked on, if the customer has Kia Care, or if they have a service plan from another provider. And also you get the little eye icon if someone is already looking at the booking, and it tells you who that is, so you can speak to one of your colleagues and see if they're already dealing with it. Further along, you've got basic customer details, and you can see when it was created or amended, and also the visit date on the far right hand side. So to accept a booking, simply clicking into the booking itself. Here you can review vehicle data in the top panel, then customer data further down. In the top right, you've got other additional data about the booking itself. You can see if the customer is waiting, or has requested a collection and delivery or a courtesy car, if they've indicated that they have a service plan, or if it's Kia Care. You then get any work that they've requested, such as servicing, special offers, whatever it might be. And then finally, three options. So if you're happy to accept the booking as it is, the time, you can do the time and date, and you can fulfill everything the customer has requested. Simply click accept, and that will accept the booking. So we'll do that now. It says the changes have been saved, and you can see that booking is now moved into the accepted area, and we can see that here. So if the customer amends the booking, you'll get a new notification, and you'll see the badge goes back up to 3 on the main page. When we click into the online booking system, you'll see in the new section there's now an amended booking there, and when we click into it, you'll see the booking information again with updated information. This time the customer has requested it to be a collection and delivery instead of a while you wait. Further down the bottom, you'll see the history of what's been done. So you can see, first of all, the customer created a new booking, the user dealer accepted it, but then the customer amended it. And you can see the changes. So the customer's requested collection and delivery, different visit date, visit time, and they've cancelled the while you wait. And you can see the key at the top right to understand what's changed. So as long as we're happy here, we can click accept. That accepts the booking again, and the status there shows as amended, but within the accepted section. Okay, so let's just have a look at a few more functionalities beyond accepting a booking, or whether it be new or amended. So let's go into this amended one again. And say, for example, the customer calls, or you call the customer to say that actually the booking request that's come through is not going to be possible. Maybe the date needs to change, or something needs to change on the booking. If the customer doesn't have the ability to change the booking themselves via going through their own link to change online, you can actually do that for them simply by clicking the amend button here. It will take you straight through to the services section. So here you can change what's been asked for. There's obviously more options normally, but just on this demo environment, we only have the 2 just for simplicity. If you want to change that, you can simply change around. You can go through to there. Maybe the customer said, actually, I'll rather wait, so they'll choose a while you're waiting for them instead. Choosing a time based on what's offered. Click continue. Update the preferences for contact in case they've not been captured already. You can update any personal information. Maybe they've asked to change the email address and to send the booking confirmation to a different one or anything like that, so you can change these here. Click continue, and then you finally get to a summary page. When you click book now, what will happen is that will confirm the updated booking. It will send the customer a new confirmation with the changes that have been made. And then if I go back to the online booking section, what you'll see is it doesn't put it back in as a new one because you've done it as a dealer, not the customer. So it's still in the accepted section, but you can see you get the little logo there to say it was last updated via Exto. And when we go in there, again, down the bottom, you can see it's been amended, this time amended by the dealership, reaccepted it, and also what was changed. So this time it's been changed to a while you wait, visit time and date changed, collection delivery has been removed. Okay, so last but not least, let's look at how you would cancel a booking. So if a customer, again, maybe they call up or you call them and it's decided that the booking can't go ahead, then you simply go into here. You can use the search at the top. If you have a lot of bookings, you can find one that's in the list that you can't see straight away. Click into there, and this time we're going to use the cancel button. Click cancel. It'll just ask for a confirmation just to make sure that's what you want to do. Click yes. That's going to confirm. Go back to online bookings and go into the accepted section again. You'll see there it's recorded as a cancelled booking. We can go in just to be absolutely sure, and you can see there it's cancelled. At this point, you cannot reinstate it. So once you cancelled it, it's final. The customer then needs to make another booking. They would have to do that online. But the customer will have had another message to say that they've cancelled, to confirm the cancellation, and everything goes through as normal. Likewise, if the customer cancels online, does it themselves, you as a dealer will also get an update email to say that the booking's been cancelled and you can remove it from the DMS. Okay, well that concludes this short tutorial. Thank you very much. If you have any support queries, you can contact eDynamics support at support@edynamics.com, or you can raise a ticket in the system simply by clicking on the ticket button there, or from the main page, you can go into support and click raise a ticket there as well. Thank you very much.